Olympic figure skater Alexandria Paul dies in a very horrific crash. There she goes, photoed with her husband. Man, this is very crazy, man. Let's go ahead and read into it. Alexandria Paul, former Canadian Olympic figure skater, died in a horrific car crash. The multi-vehicle accident occurred near Toronto this past Tuesday. The collision occurred when a semi truck plowed into a line of cars stopped at a construction zone. Her baby boy was in the car and taken to a hospital for what was described as non life threatening injuries. Three others were hurt, including one man who was injured seriously enough to be airlifted to a trauma center. The 31-year-old figure skater was married to her dance partner, Mitchell Islam. They were incredibly successful, winning numerous medals, including three for the Canadian Championship. The pair also competed in the 2014 Olympics. Alexandria retired from skating in 2016 and became a lawyer in 2021.
The next competitors representing Sentinel, Ontario. Please welcome Alexandra Paul and Bishop.
Very beautiful lady, man. That's her and her husband. Man, very, very crazy news, man. Very crazy news, man. A GoFundMe has been established for Alexandria and Mitchell's son, man. So very, very glad that the son did end up, making it. It's very unfortunate that Alexandria ended up losing her life due to a damn truck, a guy in a damn semi truck that is definitely going to be held responsible for this. I don't know if his ass was drunk. I don't know if his ass wasn't paying attention, but either way or whatever, his ass does need to be locked up, and he definitely needs to, be dealt with for this, man. This is very crazy, very tragic, and we're going to send nothing but love to Mitchell and Alexandria's family during this time. You guys hit that like button, man, and hit that subscribe button right now.